Today we're going to be playing some chess games. So, ooh, horrible start. Absolutely horrendous start. Let's see if we can beat this 1100. Let's see if we can beat it. It's not that. It's going to be pretty bad. So, ooh, Scandi. I'm really good at countering Scandis. I played it against. I used a gambit. Ooh, what? What? I'm going to accept that. What's it going to do? Take with the pawn? Oh, what a numpty. What was that? What was that? Whatever that was, whew, that was horrid. It's a give. I mean, I know Gambit's not supposed to give up a pawn, but why would you give up a pawn when you're that level? Doesn't normally grandmasters play Gambits and newbies like us don't play Gambits? No idea why. Who knows why? Just disgusting by him. And I'm gonna pre-move take, open up a rook, not falling for the same, doing the same mistake twice. Learn that. I'm not gonna take. I'm just gonna grab a knight. Yeah, I'm not gonna take. Just not gonna take. Should I do it my knight first? Yeah, I'm gonna do it my knight first. Knights first, then bishops, and then I do stuff like that. That's how I play at least. And then just gonna play other things like that. So let's see what we can do. Maybe we can. Well, we're gonna push the D pawn. Maybe two spaces. Can I push the D pawn two spaces? Yeah, it kind of threatens a fork. And if I threaten a fork, I just win, don't I? I just win the I win the game. I threaten the fork. Because if I'm up a piece, just win it and oh. No, I'm not gonna push two spaces now. He's got too much defending and covering that square. He just move a bishop away, pin my guy or something. My knight, my queen. So there's no really no point pushing that top pawn, wasting two moves in a pawn where I can just divide the bishop and knight, queen in that position. So he castles. I'm just gonna attack the knight, wreck his pawn structure. He's going to probably protect with the bishop as well. And I'm gonna push him one space. Now that should I do it push him one space? I mean that's a beautiful fork. I mean, just forks. And I can't take the knight back because then I win his bishop. So let's see what he does. Yeah, just take down fork his piece. That's stupid. That's super bad. What was that? What should I take? I think the bishop, because bishops are worth more than knights. Or maybe not, because that opens the rook. No, I'm not sure. Ooh, interesting. Let's take their pinning. Pinning is way better. Like, pinnings are very helpful. And if he's not careful, I can check and win. He's queen. He needs to be careful. Right, you got, like, as long as he doesn't defend the pawn, it's queen time. So, a lot of good stuff. I can attack there, but then the hang, I got a pin. Ooh, yeah, now we do it. Now we do it. Or maybe take there. Yeah, there, that wins. Did that not win the queen? Yeah, wins the queen. Boom. Victory. Easy win. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice win. Easy. Easy.